Forerunner and world leader in sample preparation by fusion, Claisse is proud to present the latest innovations to its modular system, the rFusion. This robotized station automatically weighs, mixes, and fuses samples to prepare them for the XRF analysis. Maintained throughout the process, the traceability of the samples is discernible today because of its simplicity and effectiveness. The rFusion generally includes a weighing station that is equipped with a Diant automatic dispenser and a fusion station that includes two M4 fluxers. Designed by Claisse, these instruments are recognized as the new standard in fusion in various industries such as the cement and mining industries, ferroalloys, and service laboratories. The rFusion modular system is flexible, versatile, efficient, and easy to use. See it for yourself by watching the following demonstration. First, the operator scans and records the ID of a first sample using the barcode scanner. This initial identification will allow traceability throughout the fusion process. Then, she selects the weighing program and appropriate fusion program. The operator proceeds to add a certain amount of sample in a ceramic crucible. Notice that accurate weighing is not necessary. She will scan the sample position in the crucible rack. In the case of a priority sample, the operator will select the box provided for this purpose. Thus, the rFusion will automatically adapt its operations in order to process that specific sample first. The operator simply repeats the previous operations for all the samples to ensure their traceability and the optimal management of priorities in the laboratory. Of course, the rFusion can prepare various types of samples during a single operation cycle. Each sample can be associated to a different weighing and fusion program. Finally, the operator places the racks containing the samples in their intended positions in the weighing station. All that is left for her to do is close the door and launch the rFusion at the push of a button. From that moment on, the rFusion does the rest. The system generates a list of samples to be processed, giving precedence to those identified as priorities. The robot places a platinum crucible on the Diant automatic dispenser, where a first amount of flux is added to the sample. Then, the robot places the crucible on the transfer rack, adds the sample, and places the crucible on the Diant a second time. During this step, the automatic dispenser will determine the sample mass and add the required flux to achieve the specified sample-to-flux ratio with a precision of 1/10 of a milligram. Finally, the vortex mixer ensures homogenization of the mixture by agitation. When the first crucibles are ready, the robot places them on one of the fusion station's two M4 fluxers, and the fluxer automatically launches the pre-selected program. Automatic ignition, agitation by rotation, stable and oxidizing flame at low and high temperatures. The M4 fluxer very effectively retains the volatile elements and provides exceptional accuracy and repeatability of the analytical results. The robot continues the preparation of other samples, automatically adjusting the sequence of operation to ensure maximum productivity. When the next 3 samples are ready, the robot places them on the second M4 fluxer and starts a second fusion cycle. While executing the fusion process, the robot prepares the next series of crucibles. Once the first fusion program is completed, the robot removes the glass discs from their platinum molds and places them on the appropriate rack, retrieves the crucibles, and places them in their initial rack. Then, loads a new series of crucibles and starts a new fusion cycle. Meanwhile, new samples arrive at the laboratory. The operator prepares them and places the new crucible rack in the weighing station. The rFusion instantly revises its priorities based on the new samples, and the robot continues its operation cycle. At the end, the operator retrieves the glass disc rack. Before placing a glass disc in the XRF, she traces the corresponding sample by a simple reading of the disc's position on the rack. Developed by Fusion experts, the rFusion is versatile, flexible, efficient, reliable, productive, and easy to use. Because of the optimal management of priorities and ongoing sample traceability, it promotes the reliability of analytical information generated by your laboratory and supports the quality requirements in your organization. So take advantage of Claisse's expertise and let the rFusion do the work for you.